The second step to this part, part one, you can actually start from a 1.5 mount. You swing it over like so, and what's going to happen, let me show you from this angle, is you press against these two strings here. You press into them and the yo-yo is going to flip over the front part like so. I take my non-throw hand pointer finger and pull in towards myself. You'll notice I have a triangle here that's kind of formed. You want to hit the yo-yo on this string. It's the string that's closest to your body. You just bring the string right under like that. And so now the yo-yo is sitting on there. And then from this angle here, you can see I'm actually going to take my throw hand pointer finger and untwist this extra loop I have. So the yo-yo is sitting in this triangle like so. Let me show you one more time real quick what this looks like. So from the beginning, double on, unwrap. Then you're going to go into where it was with the 1.5 mount. You pop the yo-yo into there like that. Pull. Watch that video for the angle on this part. You take your non-throw hand pointer to spread the strings apart. Untwist it with your throw hand. Pop the yo-yo up from the inside here. This is where we were at the end just a second ago. And this is where we're going to stop for part one. So one more time with and what looks like this. Come in under, undo that, shoot it across, pop it out and pull that string in. Land it on, you take your non-throw hand, pull the string over, you untwist this portion and pop it up. That's and what part one.